can see my Lord.
Yes, so
our queen.
Yes, sir.
The number one queen. Any other queen now? You queen. You was a queen. In fact, the best queen so far. Actually, she is my wife.
Yes.
Yes.
So
now, my brother. So today she came to honor us. You can see it's late, but also what did she get?
If I know come waiting again, I have to be here. I mean, it's not every day. Can I make 10 years with the end naga? I know the kuro 10 years. I must be here. I must be here to celebrate with my people. I must be here to celebrate with my brother and his wife. And then today, I'm praying that, like I said, in the next 10 years, they will still call us.
Amen.
We will come and rejoice with them.
Amen.
25 years, they will call us.
Amen.
We will come and rejoice.
Amen.
30 years, they will call us.
Amen.
Then 50. But all of us will be here to celebrate with them. Jesus.
Amen. Thank you, my Lord.
Amen.
Today I didn't celebrate. I want to celebrate. Because I do as I do.
Yes.
God knows first. Thank you so much for coming. We are really honored.
There is no way I would have missed it.
Hey,
God,
I am gratitude under my heart.